Biafran flag, you're in problem. That was that is the height of it all. That was what was going on. Even this guy called the Mega Gift, understand, because they all claim that IPOB, but they know they follow Mazamaka. In fact, they are whiter than snow. But when something that has to do with white, they will turn to red. They won't even pay attention to say anything meaningful. Now, sharing this guy's cry is good. I'm not condemning the guy for complaining because at least maybe fine. But a mega gift and people like them, those who know, who have listened to the lecture of Master Mukan and choose to be ignorant of it without using their platform to do anything. Oh, Chineke very mad. This if Chineke we no way buka. And they understand what they are going to do from day one. That's why they from get go they don't break their face. They always hide, and let me just end it. I sometimes if I begin to think about these people, I feel like it should change my mood, to be honest with you. Now let us hear this guy.
Reporting this to the government about activities of Delta Hawk. Now, from nowhere, they changed the name from Delta Hawk to Operation Sweep. Since they changed their name, they gave them about 30 brand new Toyota Hilux. Changed the name from Delta Hawk to Operation Sweep and gave them 30 brand new Toyota Hilux. Is here. They never sweep one thing one day. What they do is to torment, to cause problem for us here in Delta State. I have told the people who wish to listen, those in government, that the DG of security, who is heading this out, is not fit to be a DG. Is not fit to be DG security in Delta State. Never.
Let us see the face of DG.
DG security, who is heading this out, is not fit to be a DG. Is not fit to be DG security in Delta State. Never. He has overstayed his position as DG security. He should give that position to somebody who is passionate about security to help us to fight it. They have what they call the SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. They don't follow it. Their own is to stop vehicles, search them, extort, and if you make those, they brutalize you. This is what happened to a young man in Agbo. This is one of the evidence of the cases, several cases reported through the SSG, through the even DG security himself, who is unfit to head that department. Very, very unfit to head that department. Have you ever heard one day that Operation Sweep sung into action, enter bush, and then caught one number? You never hear that one day. You can never hear it. Because their mandate currently is to harass innocent people in the streets of Asaba and Agbo. That's what they have done to people in Agbo. Operation Sweep. They never one day say they'll go push, follow us, say, oh yeah, let's go to the bush and pursue these armed robbers, these kidnappers, terrorizing us. But that's the good thing to do that. To respond to violent crimes. And they come to the street to commit hard work. And the kidnappers on our street? No. They're inside the bush. These kidnappers are inside the bush and not on the road, for goodness sake. They're in the bush and not on the road. So stop harassing young people on the road. Stop abusing them. Stop extorting motorists on the road. Go to the bush where these guys are and currently adapting our people. A time will come where we will see on the road, harassing young people on the road, we will pass from you. And then the hell we lose. You can't keep adopting people on the road and you feel who keep quiet. That's a lie. Any day we'll see you on the road and you feel who keep quiet. That's a lie. Any day we'll see you on the road, on any of our road on our side, harassing, adopting our people or extorting them. You'll see what we're going to do that day. Later they come. Let us work with our Operation Sweep. That is, you will see what we, Deltas, will do that day. Your time is coming.
Okay, and that is a frustration from Harrison. Is it 1 minute or 1 minute?